Hello everyone, Richard here from Proteus Leadership. Here is my contention. Mindset is everything. Why? Our mindset is our set of beliefs that shapes how we make sense of ourselves and our world. Plus our mindset influences, drives and often determines how we think, feel and importantly, how we behave. Not just now, but into the future version of ourselves. So creating a whole new mindset is about making a conscious commitment to work on having not only a growth mindset, but it's also about the ability to sit with discomfort while navigating change and adversity with proactive thinking and positive action. But here's the kicker, our mindset, left unchecked, can bite us in the backside. Like when we get triggered by frustrating events, changes outside of our control, toxic people, etc., that's where our lizard brain often hijacks our best intentions. Plus, we need to factor in that our default mindset position, so when we're on autopilot, is one of reaction. We are actually biologically designed to look for danger, to fault find, to blame, to protect our ego, but this comes at a great cost. So it's critical that we design our mindset, especially when we're experiencing adversity and major life and workplace changes. Because in essence, we've got two choices. One, we catastrophize and react to these challenging events, or two, and this is my preference, that we reframe and respond proactively. So this is when your mindset really can become your superpower. It's where you catch your stories that you're telling yourself and then reframe them. Carol Dweck, the renowned growth mindset author and guru, famously said, when you enter a new mindset, you enter a new world. And I love that quote. It's not just about dealing with the bad stuff. It's about being curious, open to play, new possibilities, and therefore new outcomes. This session will help you consciously feed your mind the right stuff and continually work on reframing your stories and worldview to set yourself and your team up for future success. So if you'd like to talk to us or find out more about this mindset session, please visit our website at proteusleadership.com.